At the Indian Institute of Mass Communication Dhenkanal, Odisha Television Network's Managing Director Jagi Mangat Panda urged budding journalists to uphold neutrality and integrity in their profession. Speaking at the orientation program, Panda discussed the many challenges faced by journalists in today's fast-changing media landscape. She emphasized the true meaning of journalism, reporting with honesty, fairness and balance. Panda highlighted how OTV has consistently stood for credibility and neutrality even as the media industry evolves with the digital revolution. She explained how the channel has adapted to new trends while holding firm to its core values. In her address, she reminded students that journalism is about presenting facts, not opinions. She also shared her journey of building OTV, the principles that guide the channel, and the unique challenges faced by women in journalism, along with the solutions her organization has developed. IIMC Dhenkanal Director Professor Anand Pradhan praised Panda's session, calling her a pioneer and leader who inspired students with her experiences. Students too found the interaction insightful. With her words, Jagi Mangat Panda left a lasting message that true journalism stands on the pillars of neutrality, integrity, and credibility.
Of course, a good journalist will cover as many sides as possible, but if you cannot cover many sides, a good journalist will cover at least two opposing viewpoints of a story. This was the essence of the charter. This was done in 1999, not knowing that it is so much more relevant today with the explosion of social media, when journalists are struggling because there are many people out there with a smartphone who don't know what journalism is, and they cover a story and present it as if it is news. But actually it's only their opinion. And we are not interested in their opinion. People should not be interested in anybody's opinion. People should be interested in facts. People should be interested that you do a good job, fair job of covering on from the ground and bring us as many angles of the stories as possible, so that me as a viewer is capable of forming my own opinion. And with that in mind, we had started this charter. And I'm proud to say that even till date today, after so many years, after many decades I should say, we still continue to follow that charter. And the journalists who work with us, it is ingrained into their DNA. Because we will not have it any other way. We will ensure that at least minimum two opposing viewpoints of a story are covered.
मुझे लगा कि ओटीवी की एक पायनियर लीडर होने के कारण, वुमेन एंटरप्रेन्योर होने के कारण, उन्होंने जो अपने एक्सपीरियंसेस हमारे बच्चों से शेयर किए कि कैसे एक चैनल को बनाने में, और साथ ही उसमें जो उनकी पत्रकारिता की, जर्नलिज्म का जो उन्होंने कोर आइडियल्स हैं, उसके प्रिंसिपल्स हैं, उनके बारे में बच्चों को बताया, क्या चैलेंजेस हैं, आने वाले समय में किस दिशा में जाना है, इन सब चीज़ों के बारे में बताया.
So today's interaction was a very insightful interaction for budding journalists like us, because Madam also talked about how she began her news channel and how it standard out amongst other news channels in the region. And she also discussed about the challenges that women reporters in specific or women journalists face in the field. And she also talked about how OTV as an organization has came up with solutions to those problems. So it was very nice to know about all the things she is doing.